What up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing slime. So I'm gonna show you what kind of slime I made currently, and in my other video that didn't show up currently, so it's right here. So I'm gonna take it out now, so you can see precisely. So there it is. It's really cool. Poke it. I like the part when you poke it. I made another slime, but my sister, she took it because me and mom made a deal that I get my phone back because she hid it, and my sister gets the slime. Alright, so the ingredients you'll be needing: a bowl. Sorry about that slime still there. Something to mix with. Using this because it could just tie it up. Glue. You'll be needing this. Only glue will work. Only glitter glue. Sorry about, you can't use clear glue, white glue, only glitter glue. So it has to be like this. Okay? Sorry. And then you're gonna need eye relief, eye wash, whatever, but it says eye relief on the top, or contact solution. So either of those will work. Then you're going to be needing baking soda. And it cannot be the liquid kind of baking soda. And so far, I only have a little bit of this, so I'm going to try to take that out so I can make a galaxy wave. So let's get started. So right now, I'm going to see if I can try to do a little bowl for y'all. So let me fix this camera. Okay, that's better. Alright, so the first thing you're going to be doing is pour your glue out. Not all of it, because you might want to make another additional of the slime. So, that much slime. So, how much glue you have and how much you pour in, how much slime you're going to get. So, that's how much slime I'm going to get. So it's glittery, and like I said, I was gonna try to pour this out. So, trying to pour it. Oh, that got stuck. Sad. So I'll be back when I got it all out. Alright, so I poured it in, but I only got some. Alright, so now you have your whole glitter glue up in there. Oh, sorry about that glue top. I was wondering what was that. Alright, let's move on. Alright, now you're gonna get out your baking soda, which I have. And you're gonna pour like 1/4 of a spoon. So I'm gonna get out something really little to pour in. So I'm just gonna grab this. So this is how much you should have if you have this. Okay, so I poured that in. Now I'm gonna stir it all up so you can see it turning. So you can see. Alright, now I forgot. Yeah, you need water as well. My bad. So I'm going to put water up in here. So, really little. So, putting that much. Sorry about the disturbance. My sister's watching TV. I tried to lower it, but yeah. So, okay. Now, I'm going to add my contact solution, or eye relief, which is eye wash. So I'm going to put a little bit at a chance, because you do not want it to be getting all yucky and that stuff and so hard. So I already tried this out plenty of times. The other time I tried it out, it turned really not cool. Really cool, not cool. It turned exactly like this, So you do not want it turning like that. It does not stretch at all. It just breaks currently. Do not want that happening. So I'll throw that away. Okay, let's go back here. So putting this all here. And I'm now going to put a little more. 3 drops time. When it starts getting, and this is stickable, by the way. Really stickable. Yeah, so yeah. So see, you can see it's slimy now, but it's not that yet. Right, so when you know when it's all done, you can see it packing up all the glitter glue. So now I'm gonna put another additional 1, 2, 3. I put another additional of eye drops, whatever it's called, eye relief or contact solution. So yeah. So I'm sorry about the disturbance again. Right, so you can see it's turning to slime. So now I'm gonna pour more. So you see it's not done yet. So it might take time for you to pull. I accidentally put 4. That's okay. So I see it packing up all the slime. So yeah, I think it's ready. But I'll be back when it's all done. So all you just do when it's like this now, you just need to stir it more. I'll be back when it's done. Here we go. It took a really long time to get the stickiness out, and I put a little more. Sorry about it, I didn't show you, but I put a little more of contact solution, for it can get out of its stickiness. So yeah, but still sticky. So yeah, really cool. And so yeah. Subscribe. And so subscribe. And I will be showing you the ingredients right now. So I'm going to show you again. So in case you want to know, eye contact solution or eye wash or whatever, baking soda, so something to mix with, something to mix in, so which is this or another container, glue, only this kind of glitter glue, only this kind, because it's the one that's glittery. But I would say you can try with the white glue and add some glitter, but it won't be solar system kind. So that's why I did that. Alright, and yeah. And water. Any kind of water, just as long as water. Alright, and we need blue. I used all of it, so yeah. Alright, so now you know how to make slime. And yeah, and you can buy this Target, Walmart, anywhere where they have this. I bought it at Target, and the other one I bought it at Walmart. So they're both places. That's how I know. They could probably be somewhere else. But so this one's cool. Actually, yeah. So don't put too much contact solution, because if you do, it will be like that when I showed you earlier. I can't show you again because I threw it away, and my dad took out the trash, so I would not want to dig in the trash. But yeah, so yeah, and again, so I'm gonna leave that there. Subscribe again, so subscribe down below if you like this video, and If you like this video, I would see that there was thumbs up. And yeah, subscribe if you like this video, and subscribe if you don't have these home ingredients. Yeah, you can buy all these ingredients, Target, Walmart, Marshalls. They have blue out Marshalls, by the way. Yeah, where I do live in Panama City, they do have it's at Marshalls. Is it Marshalls or what is it called? Yeah, the place, but I don't think it's Marshalls at now. But so I said this was gonna be stickable, and it's actually true. It is stickable. So I love to take this to school, show my friends. And another way you can do it with borax glue, water, and that would be all it. So if you want to buy borax, I will show you the video, but I just need to get borax probably someday. But I gotta say, my mom lets me get borax. She's the one that buys these ingredients. She allows me. So, and the most important thing, at parents' permission. I had my mom's permission, and she's fine. She loves slime, actually, so I don't think she's gonna buy me borax because it's kind of like a washing machine ingredient. So, but just because she likes slime doesn't mean anything. Alright, so thank you for watching. #subscribe. Bye.